Hey, what's up guys? On this video, we will see what is the Antutu score of the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this. Then open this website. From here, just tap on download. Then select download anyway. Then tap on open. From here, just select install. Then select open. Tap on agree. From here, just tap on install and test. Then tap on get from market. Now just tap on the screen and tap on install and test one more time. And from here, you will find the option of download. Just tap on it. And it will download the Antutu benchmark test on your smartphone. Then select settings. From here, just enable this toggle. Then select install. Then tap on open. From here, select agree. Now to start the Antutu benchmark test, just tap on start test. And once you do that, you will start the Antutu benchmark test on your smartphone. Now, as you can see, the Antutu benchmark test has been completed, and the Antutu score of the Oppo A5x is 3,39,744. And this is the Antutu score of the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.